Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to use Google Authenticator app without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do, if you are using Android phone, go to your app store and make sure you download Google Authenticator. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your app store and make sure you download the Google Authenticator app. After a successful download the Google Authenticator app, you have something like this on your phone. Just run the setup and you are going to be fine. After you run the setup, now let's see how we can use the Google Authenticator app for our two-factor authentication on any app. So in this tutorial, we are going to use Snapchat account, two-factor authentication to connect with our Google Authenticator app. And for me to do that, I have to head over to my Snapchat account. So I will click on my Snapchat account right here. Having opened up my Snapchat account, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this profile icon from the top. And take us to this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go to two-factor authentications. Take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue. Then right here we have SMS verification with the phone number. First option. The second option here is generate a code on your device using an app like Google Authenticator. What I'm going to do is to make use of this authentication app. So it's going to take us to this particular page. Please choose an options below. Option 1, set up automatically. Choose this option if you already have an authentication app installed. Option 2, set up manually. Choose this option to set up an authentication app manually. For example, if it is installed on another device. Option 3, see authentication app we recommended. So in this regard, we are using Google Authenticator app and I have it already installed on my phone. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on set up automatically. So it takes us right here. Come back soon. You will now be taken to your authentication app. Please copy or write down the code from there and return to Snapchat. Simply click on OK. Then you have the code right here. Add the code, simply click on yes. So you just need to wait for everything to load up. Then make sure you click and hold down and copy your Authenticator app from the Google. Then it has copy code to the clipboard. Next thing we want to do is to simply go back to Snapchat. Then the next thing we can do here is to exit from here. Then we have to go back to our Google. Then we have to go back to our Snapchat. So right here, I'm going to simply click on my Snapchat to confirm the setup. Please enter the code generated the authenticator. So I'm going to simply go back to my authenticator right here. So this is the code right here. I'm going to click and hold down, copy it. Then I will simply click on paste right here and I'll click on continue. Then I have to go back to my Google Authenticator right here. I'll click and hold down, copy the code. Then I'll come back here. I'll click and hold down. I'll paste. Then click on continue. Two-factor authentication. Will you also like to set up SMS verification? It is a good backup in case you lose access to your authentication app. If you lose access to your phone, for example, you can also add SMS, or better still, you can click on skip for now. Recovery code. Generate a recovery code so you can log in on new device in case you lose your device or delete your authentication app. This is very necessary. You can simply click on generate. For security reason, please enter your password. So I'm going to simply enter my password. Your recovery code is this. Please write this down. Simply click on I wrote it down. It's as simple as that. So you can see authentication app has been fully set up. So this is how to use Google Authenticator to connect with an app for your two-factor authentication. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.